So this is my apothecary. Herbalism is confusing. There's so many herbs out there. So I'm going to do a short series, A through Z, shelf by shelf, to go over the benefits of each one of these. I hope to share some great information. Hi friends, let's talk about licorice root. Its medicinal use actually dates back to ancient Egypt when the root was used to make a sweet drink for pharaohs. It's also been used in traditional Chinese, Middle Eastern, and Greek medicines to soothe upset stomachs, reduce inflammation, and to treat upper respiratory problems. It may help with heartburn, acid reflux, hot flashes, coughs, bacterial and viral infections. It can help soothe sore throats. And if used topically, poultice, a salve, an oil, it may help acne and eczema. In a study of 60 adults, applying licorice root significantly improved their eczema. In another study, 58 adults with GERD noted that if they used the licorice root daily, it was more effective at relieving the symptoms more than any type of antacid purchased over the counter. Peptic ulcers are also something that this may help with. Pain, because they're so painful. And those are just sores, peptic ulcers, that can develop in your stomach, your lower esophagus, or your small intestine. And they're commonly caused by inflammation resulting in an H. pylori bacteria. But a 2-week study actually involving 120 adults showed that consuming licorice tincture extract, in addition to food diet change, reduced the presence of H. pylori, and it protected those ulcers better than any other pharmaceutical medicine. It actually has compounds in it that have been linked to slowing or preventing cell growth in breast, skin, colorectal, and prostate cancer. It helps relieve asthma, and it can help protect against strep throat, prevent a sore throat, or use after a tonsillectomy to help the soreness of the throat. It can also assist in fighting against the bacteria that can cause cavities. It can help in diabetes. In a 60-day study, and of course this was with rats, a daily intake of licorice root resulted in significant improvements in blood sugar levels and overall kidney health. It can reduce menopause symptoms for hot flashes, and it can boost weight loss. There have been some studies on that. And also, there have been some studies for helping to treat hepatitis C. But I would like to give some caution on this. It's just not the fix-all. There are some warnings with this. Large doses can trigger several dangerous symptoms that would include low potassium levels, high blood pressure, weak muscles, abnormal heart rhythms. And while it is rare, if you take too much, large doses, a poisoning can occur. It could result in kidney failure, congestive heart failure, excess fluid accumulation in the lungs. So therefore, individuals with high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, kidney disease, if you are anemic, you should avoid this. Pregnant and nursing mothers should avoid this. Pregnant, the reason why we're saying you should avoid it is because if you consume a lot of licorice during pregnancy, it may negatively affect your baby's brain development. There is actually one study that children born to mothers who ate large amounts of licorice products during pregnancy were more likely to have brain impairments later in life. There was just one study on that, but one study gives you enough to be cautious. As always, be your own advocate. Talk to your doctor, your herbalist, your medical advisor. Research before consuming any herb. If you have any questions, let me know. Like, share, and follow, and stay healthy, friends.